Hello everyone and welcome to a new video and another new AI tool review. Today the tool we are going to test out is PixAI.art, which is a free tool by which you can generate animated AI characters. Now before I can proceed with the details, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure that you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you're going to get most of the updates. So on this note, let's move ahead and check out how we can use this particular tool to generate free images. So as you can see on the screen already, there's a gallery of images created. So let's click on some random one. Let's click on this. So you can see the prompts which have been used. Embark on a whimsical journey to enchanted meadows, like a poetic script, HD illustration, and blah blah blah. Here it is. So huge, you can say prompt written over here, and the output in fact has been quite beautiful over here. Negative prompt. Let's check out if there has been worst quality, blah blah blah. So that has been the worst prompts which have been introduced over here. So these are, if you want some ideas like what exactly to use as a prompt, let's use this minimalism and bird, just two prompts, negative keywords, anything, worst quality, etc etc. So you can copy these keywords also over here if you want to use and use it when you are doing the creation. So let's try our own. Let's go over here and try and create a port. So you can straight away put over here, or you go on generation, image generate. So why I'm coming out over here is, here before you go on creating, you'll get options over here for your image generation. So I tried out a few images here. You can see before going, this is the prompt what has been used, like generate image of kids playing in a park adjacent to a lake and a couple of dogs around. So here was a monster truck with a home on wheels parked near a waterfall. The truck is massive vehicle, etc. I put up. So it came up with a camper instead of a monster truck. Okay, here generate a image of a bot in an astronaut suit riding a motorcycle near a motorbike with a waterfall in a backdrop. This also is quite cool. So it does generate quite some images. Now before you can give your own prompt, here thing, if you want to save on your credits, you can remove hype. You can see over here, so credits are used each time you generate an image. So if you don't want high priority, you can take it off. So it's going to take time. I'm going to click on it. Then if you want a reference image, you can upload an image as a reference, or you can describe an image is something what you're using over here. So these are the models. Then this size what you want. You want to use this as a model and update. First we'll create our own, and then we can probably try exploring one of these models. So size over here, this is a square, this is a portrait, and this is a landscape. We use a landscape over here. Then number of images, you can have a batch of 4. So it's going to give you 4 this thing. So if you want similar, like if I'm taking a single one, you can see credits use 1200. So 12 fours of 4800. So it's giving you a discount over here. So instead of this thing, you can get it for 1400 credits. I'll use this. Higher settings over here, I actually don't know. Let's try and click it. Okay, there's a resolution, and or I don't want to play with this. Control net, create more accurate results. Reference image, we are not going to provide. Composition and other things, I think this is something which you don't even need to click into. You can just select a single or a batch, and what kind of an image you want. If you're using for Insta, you'll use a square. If you're using for your mobile, you can use portrait. If you're using for a desktop or a laptop, the landscape. So now that we have our output settings clear, let's go ahead and try entering a prompt. Now you can see right now I've left with the credits of in excess of 10,000. Each day you're logging in, you are getting 10,000 credits, which you can claim over here. So after doing the testing out yesterday, I was left with just 3,000 credits. So today I've again claimed that 10,000 and I have 13,200 credits. So this has been good, unlike many websites wherein you don't even get proper time to test. So what should be our prompt over here? So let us say, okay, couple standing next to Eiffel Tower. The tower, Eiffel Tower. What else we can put with uh, sports car, red color, open top next to it. Okay, I'm just failing to get in ideas. So let's go and try to see what output we are going to get over here. So you can see the credits has been removed from our balance, and it's going to generate a few. So there you go. So here is your couple and the Eiffel Tower and your red color sports car open top. Wow, beautiful rendition. I'm sure you're gonna like this. Yeah, cool enough. I think these are good enough generations. So would you want to try something else? Let's try and create tinker with one of the models over here, show more models and see what exactly it is about. So PixAI, I don't know what it is. Let's try and see what it is. Okay. I just can't figure out with enhance this models photo further to look more realistic. I'm not getting ideas, so let's go ahead. So I'm left with 10,000 credits again over here. So here are the enhancements over here. Cool, not bad. Okay, so impressive enough. I'm back. There was a slight issue with my internet. So let us go back to our generation where we had last left on, and let's upload an image and try to sort of change it. So I'll pick up this particular image. Okay, size. Since it is 5 by 12, 5 by 12, the image same has been saying. I'll see just enhance this image with multiple environments. Let's go. So as I create this video, I hope that you like this particular video. Do let me know your feedback in the comments section. uh, how did you like this particular AI tool, whether you think it is useful. Oh, wow, so this is also quite a good rendition of this thing. You can see I'm going to really love this particular website effects. You can see beautiful this thing over here, rendition of these images. The earlier one also was AI generated, so I'm not that creative enough, but you can very much see you can use these animations to create beautiful content if you're good enough. So do let me know your feedbacks also, how you like this particular video, and do subscribe to my channel. Do share this video across, and before ending off, make sure that telegram you join the telegram group, because that's the place where you get most of the updates. So until the next video, take care and be safe.